That nest looks really cool.
He took my nest. A few days later. Hi friends, what's up? My name is Tico, and I love the outdoors. I also live in a big city called Atlanta. You want to see my home? Yeah? Okay, follow me. While we are flying, I'll tell you a little bit about me. I am a blue bird. Bluebirds love berries and water. Open spaces with short grass is good to find these things. Wait. I also like mosquitoes and other bugs. Humans say that this helps so they don't get itchy. I find them in parks and backyards. I would love to get my wings on a nesting box. This is a nesting box. We're here. Home sweet home. No! My home! My eggs! I have no home. A few days later. Yay! I rebuilt my home. This will be perfect for my nest. Oh no, I dropped it. I'm joking. I'm joking. That was scary. Stupid humans leaving trash everywhere. I can't live here anymore. It's unsafe. You know what? No. People keep taking me from my home. No more. I'm staying. Let me gather other materials. Stop right there! Dang it! Invasive species are the worst! They always take my stuff.
This is a nice new house. I hope a cute bird can stay here.
Yay! Now I have a new house and I can go to sleep. Thank you guys for helping me along the way.
What can you do? So, in conclusion, I know all of these themes seem really big and hard to handle, especially just for one person. But it all starts with you, from the really small things to the big things that can change the world. But don't wait till it's too late.
Take action now!
Be part of the people that can help the world for good. Here's just a few things you can do. Put bird houses, feeders, and bird baths in your yard so the birds can stay happy, healthy, and clean. Apply window dots to your windows so birds don't run into them and get hurt. Reduce lights at night so birds don't get confused when they're flying. Use native plants in your backyard to help bugs and birds thrive. And always leave stuff in nature where you find it. Go help your community. Why, thanks for watching.